The storm is moving on, and this cliffside road is opening toward a brighter stretch of the Pacific. The pavement is still dark from the rain, but patches of blue are appearing between the clouds. The changing light gives the coast a quiet sense of renewal.
That girl is a runner. She was born to get away.
The road follows the base of the hills, turning gently between ocean views and steep green slopes. Every bend changes the balance between land, water, and sky.
In the dust. But after all the lessons learned, it would end the both of us. There's a first for everything.
Heavy clouds still hang above the ridge, while sunlight reaches through in narrow openings.
With the pain,
It is the kind of weather that makes an ordinary drive feel cinematic.
though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be. The thing that I forgot would set her free.
There are no grand landmarks in view, only the road, the mountains, and glimpses of the Pacific. Sometimes that simplicity is exactly what a journey needs.
In the summer, man, it feels like yesterday.
The hillside rises close beside the lane, making the open horizon on the other side feel even wider. The contrast gives this coastal route its distinctive character.
First cut from a heartbreak. Been through it all, but now it's time to go our separate ways. There's a first for everything.
As the road straightens, the drive becomes calmer. Wet asphalt reflects the pale sky, and the mountains ahead fade softly into the remaining mist.
Though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be. The thing that I forgot would set her free.
The clouds are beginning to separate, revealing brighter colors across the landscape. After the rain, every patch of grass and exposed rock seems more defined. A few cars pass in the opposite direction, then the road becomes quiet again. That brief rhythm of meeting and parting feels natural on a remote coast.
And holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my baby girl
Ahead, the center lines pull the eye toward another curve beneath the mountains.
that I forgot,
The route feels both sheltered by the slope and open to the ocean.
taught her how to live.
Now the blue opening in the clouds grows larger. Light falls across the road and hillside, turning the final part of this drive into its brightest moment. This is the reward of staying on the road through uncertain weather. The rain may change the view for a while, but it also leaves richer colors, clearer air, and a coastline that feels newly revealed.
She was born to get away. Hear that two-tone humming, headed out to the highway. I should have seen it coming through the years left in the dust. That after all the lessons learned, it would end the both of us. There's a first for everything, like her hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch
This is 7080 Working Diary.
woman she
See you on the next road. Goodbye.